Hi, my name is Sierra Drusel. I'm gonna attempt to get that close to you. I've been married since this ID. I'm going to go over my math problems for the final exam. For number one, the null hypothesis is u greater than or equal or less than or equal to 210, and the alternative hypothesis is u greater than 210. It's a one-tailed test. The null hypothesis will be rejected if the sample mean is too small. The SE is 18.6177, the DF is 132, and the T is 183. The t-statistic test is 183, so the p-value is 0.035, but the p-value is less than the significant level, which is 0.05, so the null hypothesis would be rejected, and the cholesterol level is higher than the 210 milligrams. For number two, you would do x1 minus x2, which equals out to be 214.71 minus 193.20, and it equals 21.51. For the second part, you would do SE equals square root, so it's, I don't even know how to pronounce this, we're just going to do 29.66 with a exponent of 2 divided by 133 plus 333.04 with an exponent of 2 divided by 41, which equals out to be 5.765. You can apply the central limit theory to estimated population because the sizes are both larger. And with a 90% coefficient interval, the critical level is 20.05, which equals out to 1.645. So if you do 21.51 plus or minus 1.645 times the 5.765, you end up with 12.029 and 30.993. Question 3, you do the gestational age as X, the birth weight as Y, and do like a little chart-like thing. The correlation is 0.8793. The interpretation of that is, since it is 0.8793, we would say that there is a stronger positive linear relationship because the between the gestational age and the birth weight. That's question 4. Question 3, HO is independence between the political affiliation and opinion on tax reform. H1 is the same. O equals observed frequency, E is expected frequency, and then the E row total times the column total is the grand total. For that, we did the O times the E, and then minus. So x2 equals 22.15. The degree of freedom is parentheses 2 minus 1 times 3 minus 1, which equals 2 times 2, which equals 2. The level of significance is 0.01. The critical value is 9.210. The test statistic is greater than the critical value, so you would reject the null.